All right, so I am still at Clipper Cove. The marina's over there. It's probably like 63 degrees down here, and I've been removing this wall inside the van, which I knew was pretty solid, but I didn't know how it was done. It's a metal frame, and it's tack welded. There's like a weld there, weld there, weld over there, and a weld over there. And I'm not sure what all we're going to experience at the top. But just a ton of these Phillips screws, and then some bolts that were holding this piece of track in. And I'm going to leave this track. I might take it out when I take the plastic liner out. But I'll put this track back in after I remove the plastic liner. And then when I would cover the walls, I'm thinking that I'll have like some flaps that I can open up and still be able to utilize these, because that's a pretty cool feature. You just snap in one of these rings like this, you just pop it into there, or you push it in this way, pull this thing back, snap it in, and now you've got something that your ratchet straps, which is those, can lock onto. And the other nifty thing is that they welded a couple of them onto these L-iron bars that could hold a board, so you could have a little table that you could move to different places. And there's a shorter set right over there that I'm not sure what those are for, but I used them as an angle iron while I was prying that off. So far I only have these pieces of wood that are in good shape. A good portion of it could probably be used for something else other than the gray paint is ugly. This carpet that was covering this side of the wall also had this weird liner at the top, and it's got about 1 billion staples in it, so I'm pulling all those out, and then it'll just be the same thing, a bunch of these Phillips screws. And then I'll have to go, I didn't bring my angle grinder with the cutting wheel on it because I was assuming they just put wood screws into the sides. I didn't think they were going to go this far. But as soon as I get these boards off, it'll feel open. It'll just have a frame still here in my way. And right now I have a nice breeze over on this side, but it can't get through because of this wall. So when I'm in there, it's mighty toasty. I'm looking forward to having it be one big open space. And I'm listening to RNC speeches. What is it, like 2 days after that guy shot Trump? And it's interesting to hear people's variety of theories and such. But the RNC is more about the positives of rebuilding the economy for the little guy, not so much for the government power end of it, which I like. So anyway, I'm gonna get to this, and I'll probably pile it all back in here and then go get the angle grinder. It's in the boat. I just didn't bring it with me. So I wasn't sure why I grabbed it, but I guess that's why.